Hi everyone, Akshay here and welcome back to TechMinder. So today we are having one more wireless Bluetooth earphone. So these are Noise Shorts X5 wireless Bluetooth earphone. So we are going to do the unboxing and review of these wireless Bluetooth earphones and let's figure out whether these are best in 5000 price range or not. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So these are Shorts X5 Charge Bluetooth version 5.0. That's pretty great. And also they are having an IPX5 waterproof rating, 2200 mAh charging case. So that is a lot of juice on these wireless earphones. Now talking more about these, so here you'll find some more detailed specification. So these earphones weigh around 11 gram and with charger they weigh around 98 grams. So it's a little bit heavy when we are comparing with charging case. The range here it shows 10 meter. But with Bluetooth version 5.0, I have seen that it can even achieve 15 to 20 meters of range. This is really amazing. The frequency response is 100 to 10 kilohertz. So this doesn't seem like good because a normal human ear can hear from 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, but they have shortened the frequency response to 100 Hz to 10 kilohertz. Okay, so these get fully charged in 1.5 hours and the charging case battery is 2200 mAh. So even it can act as a power bank to charge your phone. The playback time is 3 to 4 hours and standby is 180 hours and the charging time for case is 3 hours and earphones get charged in 1.5 hours. So that's pretty great. So these are having 60 mAh battery. Okay, let's unbox it and let's figure it out more about these earphones. Okay, wow. So this looks really good. Taking out the charging case, it looks like a little bit heavy side and they have included the earbuds separately, not in the charging port. Okay, keeping this aside, let's put them in charging port. These are magnetically swapped, so this is great. And when you talk about here, you will find a micro USB and also a USB-A type so that you can connect your USB cable and charge your phone. So if your phone is dead and you want to do a very important call, definitely these come in handy. So that is pretty great feature, but you need to trade off weight for getting this feature. Okay, keeping it aside and let's see what we are having more in the box. This is user manual guide and a micro USB for charging your earphones, an extra pair of earbuds to fit comfortably in your ears. Also we are having something from the Noise. This is okay, so this is a thank you letter. Okay, so let's keep everything aside and let's talk more about these earphones. So here we are having these Noise Shorts. Okay, and the pairing process is very simple. So you will see a protruding bump, it means they have stored the battery here. And let's take them out. So once you take them out, they will flash LED indicator. Yeah, they are flashing, so they are ready to pair. To do the first time pairing, all you need to do is that turn your Bluetooth on and search for new devices. So you will find here that X5 is available right now on the available devices list, and once done it will take some time to pair. Boom, connected. So we are having 100% battery. So let's play some music and let's do the sound test and button test of these earbuds. So the play and pause functionality works pretty great and you can use any of the earbuds to do play and pause. That is really great. So if you want to go to the next track, all you need to do is that you need to press and hold the right earbud and you will find that you are in the next track. If you want to go to the previous track, all you need to do is that press and hold the left earbud and you will find that you are in the previous track. So the play and pause and the previous and next track functionality works great. There is no way that you can increase the volume on these earbuds. To increase the volume you need to use your phone and it is little annoying. If you want to call your voice assistant, all you need to do is that you need to press twice on the right or left earbuds. Hey Bixby, what's going on? And you will find that your voice assistant will respond. Also you can do this by using your left earbuds, so both of these works great. This is really annoying that there is no volume increase or decrease button on these ones, but apart from that everything works great and the buttons are really very tactile and responsive. So these earphones have passed in our sound test and button test. So now when we talk about the sound quality and comfortability, these are having the ergonomic in design and also the fin tips, so they fit perfectly in your ear canal. All you need to do is that you need to have right type of ear tips, and they will fit perfectly in your ear canal. Okay, and also they will not fall apart even if you try hard. So this part is pretty great. Now let's talk about the sound quality. I found the sound quality is pretty loud, and they are having the punching deep bass. So if you want to have the headphone like quality in the earbuds, definitely these ones are for you. These ones are priced at around 5,000 rupees, and I don't think I will find a better earphone in 5,000 price point. Although they look a little bit bulky and more in size, but still they managed to have the weight of around 11 gram. So whatever the earbuds I've tested right now, they are having a weight of around 9 to 11 gram. So these also lie in that weight. They look a little bit bulky and heavy because they are having bigger driver. I don't know the specific driver size, but I think they must be having a 10 or 12 mm drivers. Now when we talk about the buttons and all, the buttons are really tactile and very responsive. Although they don't have a volume up or volume down functionality, but yeah, they do have answer or reject call, and also you can take 2 or 3 calls if they are coming simultaneously. That is pretty great. And also they work as a single mono port. If you want to use only one, you can pair it to different devices and use it as an individual earbuds. So they are having an IPX5, which really makes it interesting for gym freaks. So if you love music in gym or do heavy exercises with music, definitely you're gonna love it. And with IPX5 rating, it really makes sweat resistant, so you need not to worry about whether they are going to be damaged or not. So when you talk about the battery life, they last around 4 to 4.5 hours depending upon what music you are listening and at what volume. Also you can charge these earbuds 5 times by using the earpod charger, and even you can charge your phone also if you really require to do the important calls and if your phone is out of juice. Although I found a little bit problem with these earbuds, the problem is that if you go above 70%, you will find that the distortion is starting to build up. Although I would recommend you not to go above 50% because these are really very loud. So you really want to enjoy these earbuds if you are a daily commuter, because these are really very great in that terms. So these are really very loud and having a very good noise isolation. The Best Buy links for these earbuds will be available in the description. You can go and purchase from there. So if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notification. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and catch you in the next video.